by your foot. Okay, where else? We gotta keep looking. Oh, no. It's a dog toy. Okay, come look over here. Yeah? Where are they, David? You do?
Oh!
Keep a green one. You like green.
I think I might see a blue one somewhere.
I said he wants it more challenging.
I see a pink one. I see a pink one.
David. Nope. Oh, David, look. There's a green one.
Look up high, look up high.
Oh, wow. David?
What?
I think there's an orange one.
Yep, I see it. Oh, I got a picture. David, I'm not allowed to put you right on the side. No, I'm not allowed to put
What?
Let me see.
Oh, did you find Miranda?
Wow.
This isn't my side.
Oh.
I have to wait till David's done.
Look by the bunny rabbit. Where's the bunny rabbit? Yeah, that's...
Oh, you're recording? I'm sorry. Oh, excuse me.
David, come here for a second. Let me...